Hey guys, my Wyze lock came in a couple days ago, so I wanted to open this up, take a look inside, see what we got. Camera look. Wyze lock, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi enabled power smart lock. Sticker, quick start guide, actual lock itself, batteries, this is the bridge, adapters, hardware, and that's it. Let's go inside and get this installed. Alright, so we're going to install this Wyze lock from the inside. So you open up your Wyze app, you click on the three dots on top and add a new product. Select the device you want to add, Wyze lock. Plug your Wyze lock gateway into a power outlet near your door. Alright, so now we're going to connect our Wyze lock gateway to our app. Searching for your gateway. Okay. Quit. So it says select the Wyze lock gateway you'd like to connect to. It seems to be giving me two choices. Both have the same number. So I'm going to go ahead and connect to one of them. Okay, let's try that again. Alright, let's try this other one. Looks to have the same number. Connection failed. Try again. There we go. I think I got it to connect now. So I'm going to type in my Wi-Fi. Connecting to your router. This may take several minutes. Next screen that comes up says Lock Gateway Setup. Device name, suggestions, lock gateway, and save. I'm going to call this front door. Save. Gateway setup is complete. Now let's set up the Wyze lock. Begin setup. All right, give me a look at what's included. What I'm going to need for this install. This is their lock installation guide. Make sure you can see it there. Begin installation. It's telling me to install the adhesive strip over the outside portion of your existing deadbolt to hold it in place. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Alright, now that I have that done, it's telling me to remove my existing thumb latch from the inside of your door. Make sure to save the screws. I'm going to do that now. So next, insert the screws from the thumb latch you just removed into the front of the Wyze lock mounting plate. Place the mounting plate on the inside of the door and tighten the screws. Kind of did that already. What is the shape of the metal rod sticking out of the middle of the hole in the mounting plate? It's either flat or D-shaped. Mine's flat. What is the orientation of the metal rod? So I'm going to go with horizontal for now. See how that works? Find the orange adapter and slide it into the metal rod with the smooth side going first. So here's the orange piece. So you can see the different sides. This is the smooth side that's going first. Remove the lock plate from the Wyze lock by lifting from the bottom of the lock. Take this wrapper off. Can't see with the light how it goes. There we go. Just like that. Alright, what's the next step? Place the Wyze lock onto the mounting plate and ensure it sits flush with your door. There we go. Manually lock and unlock your door to ensure the Wyze lock has been correctly installed. Tighten the two pre-installed screws to secure the Wyze lock to the mounting plate. Next, install the included batteries and then secure them by folding down the two latches. These are your latches right here. Two on the side there. This side up. Side down. Installation complete. Leave the front plate off. Begin setup. That's all I can see. I can't see the rest of the words. Press and hold the pair button until the lock button beeps, about 3 seconds. When you release, the light should start to flash green. All right. It's looking for it. This may take several minutes. Make the screen back up. Making some noises. Connection successful. Put the front plate back on your Wyze lock and finish setup by calibrating. Calibrate. Close your door and manually lock the deadbolt. Next, got a beep over there. Manually unlock the deadbolt and open the door. Next, partially close the door so it's slightly ajar. Close your door and manually lock the deadbolt. Calibration complete. Now let's give your Wyze lock a name. I'm going to name it front door lock. Push save. Make sure everyone can get in. Share your Wyze lock to give others access to lock and unlock the door. I'll do that later. There it is. I think we're done. As you can see, the door is locked. And this is locked here. Locked. Unlocked. The door is closed. You see that little icon there? I don't know if you can see it. It's kind of grayed out. There it is. It's closed. Let's open the door. It's open. So as you can see, it's closed now. And it locked by itself. I'm getting a log of what's going on here. So that's my unboxing and installation of the Wyze lock. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Have a great day.